President of Lawrence Tech, and I'm very happy to welcome each and every one of you here this morning to this 2010 Michigan Regional Championship for Robofest. And I want to congratulate everyone on the accomplishments to get to here. You've already gone through quite a competition and selection to get to this point. Now, Robofest is a competition of autonomous robots. These are robots that have to work on their own. They have to sense the conditions, they have to make decisions, and stay on the path and accomplish whatever tasks that they're programmed to do. They are not radio controlled, they have no operator, and this is a very difficult challenge, and especially the age of the kids that we have involved in this competition, for them to accomplish something like this is quite an extraordinary feat. From this competition and the work to build something and to make it work and program it, they learn a lot. They learn a lot about the principles of physics and mathematics, computer science and programming, and something about electronics. But I also think and hope that they have a lot of fun. I think they have a lot of fun doing it, working in a team. It teaches them to work together because no one person can accomplish this onerous task alone. And as they compete, the adult coaches are not allowed to interfere, so they have to do it all on their own and make it work. Robofest was started in 2000, so this is the 11th annual competition, and this is the Michigan Regional Competition site. There were 30 competition sites involving over 500 teams, and approximately 1,700 students were involved. They came from 10 states. And then the winners here will go on May 8th to the International Robofest competition, because Robofest is now international, involving some regional competitions like this in several other countries. And we will have the winners of those competitions, and the winners here, I think there's 17 teams that go forward from here today to the international competition. And then they will be joined by people from several other countries that will compete, and that's really quite something when you see the teams from Korea, Singapore, China, and several other places as well. So I'm told that 60 teams were selected out of all those numbers I gave you earlier to compete in this Michigan regional competition. Okay, out of 188 teams from 11 different qualifying sites to come to here. So that's quite an accomplishment. And each and every one of you, by the mere fact that you're here, you are a winner. You have accomplished a lot, and congratulations to you. And I want to thank everybody involved, the teachers, the advisors, the parents, and anyone else, that family that was involved to support you getting here. But I particularly want to thank the host organizers, because they've had to do a lot of work to make this come off and make it happen well. But I particularly want to thank our sponsors, because without our sponsors, we wouldn't be able to be here today. They wouldn't be able to have the tools that they needed to do this. So thank you all very much. We very much appreciate that, and I think we will recognize you with some of the sponsors at the end of the day here today and at the International as well. But I want to welcome each and every one of you to Lawrence Tech at the same time. We have a lot going on our campus today. We have a Blue Devil showcase going on where we're displaying a lot of our student projects, and it's in the Buell Management Building just across the parking lot. And there are projects there that come from engineering, many different fields of engineering, from medical areas, and then from our College of Architecture, art-related events, and design competitions. So it would be quite interesting, I think, if you have the opportunity to stop by there and visit and see a little bit more about what Lawrence Tech does and is all about. So we welcome you to that as well. Well, as I said earlier, 17 teams will be moving forward to advance to the World or the International Robofest Championship, which is held here on May 8th. And so I just want to say again, congratulations to you, and I wish you luck in your competition today, in all of your endeavors, and I hope you have a great experience here at this regional competition. Thank you very much.